Next, we move on to specification number 12, which asks us to describe cholera as a disease caused by a bacterium that is transmitted through contaminated water. In this section, we will study how cholera infects humans, the bacterium responsible, and the ways it spreads through unsafe water sources. Cholera is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae, which leads to diarrhea, meaning the loss of large amounts of watery feces. While diarrhea can have many causes, one major cause is infection by Vibrio cholerae, resulting in cholera. The disease spreads when a person drinks water contaminated with the bacteria, often due to poor sanitation or the mixing of sewage with drinking water supplies. Once inside the body, the bacteria multiply in the intestines and release toxins that cause severe diarrhea. If untreated, this can quickly lead to dehydration. Severe and prolonged diarrhea causes the rapid loss of water and essential ions from the body, which can prevent tissues and organs from functioning properly and may become fatal. Cholera can be treated effectively with oral rehydration therapy, which involves a solution of water mixed with small amounts of salt and sugar to replace lost fluids and ions. And talking about its transmission, cholera is mainly transmitted through the fecal-oral route, which means the bacteria enter the body when a person swallows contaminated food or water. One common way cholera spreads is through contaminated water. People can become infected by drinking water polluted with feces containing Vibrio cholerae, especially in areas with poor sanitation. Contaminated food is another source. Food that is prepared or washed with dirty water, or seafood from polluted water, can carry the bacteria. Poor hygiene also contributes to transmission. Not washing hands after using the toilet can transfer bacteria to food, surfaces, or drinking water, which others may ingest. Although direct person-to-person spread is uncommon, cholera can occur through fecal contamination between people if fecal matter on hands or objects is accidentally swallowed.